everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small Christmas haul. If you're interested in seeing what I purchased, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. From Ross, I got these two little trees. And the bigger one was $6.99. And the smaller one was $3.99. You can also put like a tea light under these. I got both of those. Also from HomeGoods, I got these coasters. And it brings 4 of them. Super pretty. It's gold and it has little sequins and beads. And this was $7.99. Very pretty. From HomeGoods, I got these kitchen towels. They're so cute. And there's 3 little gnomes, and it brings 3 towels. Very pretty. And this was $9.99. From Target, Dollar Tree, Dollar Spot, I got this little gnome, and he was $5. He was kind of expensive, but I still got him, and I ended up buying him twice because my daughter broke the first one. But it's really pretty. From Hobby Lobby, I got these 2 sets of ornaments, and these were $3.99, but they were 50% off, so I got them for $2. And it brings 4. They are so pretty. Then for $1, I got this little mailbox. So cute. And then I also got tamale. Super cute. They were both $1. And I got this little tree, and this one was just $1. I also got this set of snowmen, and these were $3. From the Dollar Spot at Target, I got this little gnome. You can paint it or you can leave it alone, like do whatever. And this was just $1. From Burlington, I got this little sign, snowflakes are kisses from heaven, and this was just $3.99. So pretty. From HomeGoods, I also got this little set with the rolling pin and the spatula and the little whisk, and this was $7.99. From HomeGoods, I also got this candle. It's a little gnome, and it's so cute. And this one was $6.99. I'm just doing red in my kitchen area, just a little touch of red. I got these candles from HomeGoods, and there's 3 different sizes, and these were $12.99. From HomeGoods, I got this set of 3 candles. There's 3 different sizes. Wow. And it was $12.99. Also from HomeGoods, I got these. And this brings 4, and these were $7.99. And from Ross, I also got this one. This one smells pretty good. It's apple cider. And this one was $6.99. From HomeGoods, I got this angel. It's a crystal. And this one was $14.99. And it's so pretty. My daughter really wanted me to get this, so I got it. And it has the little halo on the top. Also from HomeGoods, I got the crystal Christmas tree, and this one was $19.99. Look how pretty. Also from HomeGoods, I got these two little gnomes, and these were just $4.99. From HomeGoods, I got this little gnome, and it's a calendar. You can change the days. It has some glitter right here, and he was $7.99. From Ross, I got these candles, and these were $4.99. And they are white, and it has some glitter and some little like diamonds there. From HomeGoods, I got this wine stopper. It's so pretty. It was $4.99. I got that one. Then I also got this one. This one is the stoppers there, and then these are the charms that you put on the bottom of your wine glass. They're so pretty. I also got these spoons from HomeGoods, and these were $9.99. From the Target dollar spot, I got these little wreaths. This is a set of 3, and it was $3. From HomeGoods, I got this little snack bowl. It's so pretty. It has the little gnomes holding the bowl, and this was $9.99. And this is what it looks like. You just take the bowl off, and it has the little gnomes holding it. From HomeGoods, I got this set of glasses. They are so pretty. They have the gold trimming on the top with that design on it. And then this was just $7.99. And it brings, I think there's 8 of these. From HomeGoods, I got these beautiful candle holders. I've been wanting them for so long, and I finally found them. And the smaller one was $14.99. And the bigger one was $19.99. They are so beautiful. I love these. So pretty. Super pretty. From HomeGoods, I got these little pillows. I got 4 of them, and these are, I got that one, 2 of these, and 2 of these. They are very pretty. The only thing, they're super small, but it's okay. And they were $12.99. So I got those. From HomeGoods, I also got this little cake stand, and this one is almost the same as this one, just this one is shorter. And then this one over here has the rhinestones. This one has it, but this one has these, and it has these on the bottom. And this one was $19.99. I love it. It's so pretty. From Ross, I got this pretty little bird. She is so cute. She has this cute little hat, and it has a little pom-poms on there. And she has all this little glitter on her. She's just super fancy. She is so adorable. And she was just $4.99. So cute. From Ross, I got these pretty flowers. They're super pretty. They have this little gold in the middle. It's like gold and silver. And it brings 3 of them, and they were just $5.99. Very pretty. From Walmart, I got this candle, and this was $12.99. I only got it for the color, for the base on the candle, because I can always reuse it. But I love it. Very pretty. From HomeGoods, I got these little pine trees, and I got 3 sizes. The smaller one was $7.99. This one was $9.99, and this one was $12.99. I got these beautiful bells from Ross. They're so pretty. They have like little mirrors. They have all these little beads and sequins on them and little diamonds. They are super pretty. And they have the inside is in gold. And this is like in mostly white, gold, and silver. And the big one was $5.99. And the smaller one was $3.99. So pretty.